the swans. I wonder if that's a trumpeter swan, based on the sound. And yeah, so over here. We got geese up high. There's something up there. You can see them. They're moving around. Oh yeah, they just called. They called in the birds. Oh, just wish I could see. They're gonna land. Oh my gosh. I can't see what I'm doing. There we go. Oh, there we go. Shoot. Oh yeah, there they are. So they are over on the bank. I don't know if you can see them because of the lighting. Let's increase the light a little bit. So it was 1,000, then 1,250. Sure, one more, 1,600. Back to the histogram. So I'm going to lock in here. Alright, let me try the other mode, where we're just going to keep it there, and I'm going to move forward. This is where I'm going to try the quick release. Handheld. Okay, just changed mode, but I'm kind of parked in some algae. They're too short for sandhill cranes. I just don't know what I got over there. Oh, but let me come over here and show you the swans that I was talking about that we were hearing a little farther, I think. Yeah, there's one. Now there was a nesting pair. Once upon a time, is that the other one to the right? I can't quite tell. I got a cable tied around my leg, holding onto the camera in case it goes forward. Oh, yeah, I think maybe way over on the shore, if I'm not mistaken. But I can't see when it's up above my head like that. Yeah, a bunch of birds. Where are they? Oh, there's one flying. A couple flying, landing. Okay. what was I just saying about more short videos would be better? Oops. It just wasn't quite there yet. They're moving around, flying around. What all are those? I think they're calling it a night. Swan or two. Alright. Let me, oh, beat their wings pretty good. Let me lock this in right about here and remount it. Alright, so the gimbal is tracking it for me. We're locked back on the tripod. And I'm going to see if I can get a little closer. I think that's the sound of mud underneath me. Alright, so turning off that mode. Let's unlock it. I'm gonna try it over. Yeah, the birds are just to the left there. I don't know what all the purples are. Birds flying over here. There goes one. Yeah, I'll be curious if this is viewable at all. It's pretty bad. Just did 1080p on my trial run here. There goes somebody's flying. Pulled on my safety cord. There, it's getting darker and darker. Let's bump up again. We're up to 25, 3200. Pressing the buttons pops it around. Yeah, the darks are still too dark.